Hi viewers, I am very happy to meet you all. I am BVG. Today, under the heading of potency in our hand, we are going to see how to neutralize our nervous system. That is de-stressing. Okay. First of all, I want to say the human body is made up of bones, flesh, blood vessels, and nerves, and organs, and tissues, and everything. Okay, so we are surrounded by animals, human beings, and world things, and environment, happy environment and unhappy environment. Whatever happening in our surroundings is directly, indirectly, it is registered in our mind through our senses. Whether you like or not like, it will be registered. Okay, if you go to outside, happy things may happen or unhappy things may happen. Whatever it happens, it will be registered. Okay, if happy things happen, it is registered, your mind will be happy. If unhappy things happens, it will also be registered in your mind will be unhappy. That is, you will be happy. So, every action has reaction. Okay. When you see, automatically your eyes will see. You do not want to, that is, we don't say to our eyes to see. We don't say to our ear, hear this message. We don't say to our nose to smell this things. Automatically it will happen. When you go out, when you are inside the house, when you are working, when you are shopping, whatever, it will be registered. Bad smell or good smell, automatically your nose will smell. Bad things or good things, automatically your eyes will see and register in your mind. Automatically, your sense organ will receive the surrounding messages and registered in your mind. Okay. Your nervous system is made up of peripheral, that is central nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. The central nervous system control autonomous nervous system. That is, in autonomous nervous system, there is two divisions, and sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Already, I have told in my first videos, that is, last videos, regarding sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system, nothing but accelerator of the car. Like similarly, it functions like an accelerator of the car. Parasympathetic nervous system acts like a brake of the car. That is, the sympathetic nerves gives us rest and relaxation. That is, when you are rest condition or when you are relaxation condition, the parasympathetic nerves function. The accelerating position, that is, when your sympathetic nerves stimulated, that is, accelerating like a car, your body will be accelerated by situation during which stress hormone will be released in your body. which makes a lot of problems in your body. For every organ, it will create problem. So here in this video, we are going to see how we have to de-stress the stress which is created in our surroundings. Okay. What I am trying to say, very simple way to de-stress. We don't order, we do not command our lungs to breathe. We do not order or command to or say to our stomach to digest. It is functions naturally. Whether you are awake or you are in sleep, automatically it functions. Natural functions is going on. Similarly, when you go outside, already told you, when you see bad things or unhappy things, it will be registered. According to the situation, your body will react internally and externally. Okay. When you see a fearful accident, in your body, a kind of hormone will be released. Your eyes will be dilate, your blood will go very fast to heart will pump more blood to other organs. Some people may feel kind of shivering. These are things happening in your body that may be sometimes realized and sometimes cannot be realized. But internal chemistry will always be there for to every man who sees the unhappy things or accident or whatever it is. So similarly, when you see happy things, a nice mountain, a nice river, or the people who likes the instant you like the surroundings, very beautiful things, happy things may happen which you like, during which your mind will release a kind of hormone that make every cell to be relaxed condition. Every cell of the body will be made in a relaxed condition. You do not realize, you do not say, you have to do, you have to automatically it will be done. For that, what we have to do? To neutralize our nervous system or de-stress the stress hormone, we have to earmark sometimes to be alone in peaceful place. For example, you may spend a lot of time in your work, in your homework, in your office work, in your social works, whatever it may be, you spend a lot of time in these works. You always concentrate the surroundings things. Okay, so during which lot of things may happen, unhappy things, happy things may happen. It all will be registered in your mind. So during which the hormone will be released in your body. The hormone will be stored in your body. It will be accumulated. The stress hormone will be accumulated at the final stage. At one stage, if it is not neutralized, it may burst. It may create a lot of bad things in your body. For example, heart attack may happen, stomach ulcer may happen, stroke may happen, even impotency may happen. Particularly, stress and potency will not go together. So, we have to neutralize that stress. What you have to do? to de-stress, that is neutralized, always your body will be accelerated condition. What will happen? For example, if you run your car or you run your bike or the other vehicle, always it is going on. What will happen? Your vehicle will be get too hot. That fuel may be exhausted like this. It has to given some rest, relaxation to vehicle, like that halting, like that. We have to give a rest and relaxation to our body, during which our body will restore. For what we have to do at the end of week or between week or wherever, whenever you will have a free time, go to peaceful place like a park and riverside and in forest and wherever you feel peaceful, go and sit for 15 minutes. If you can, more than 15 minutes, nothing will happen. Just sit. Automatically it will happen to you. You need not do anything for that. Automatically. What will happen? Your eyes, your ear, your nose will do all these things. You need not do anything. Those organs will do everything. Even you do not think, you do not worry about negative thoughts or positive thoughts. Negative thought, positive thoughts, all will come and go, no problem. It is the mind, that is brain's duty. Like a heart, it keeps on pumping the blood. Like a lungs, it keeps on breathing. Stomach, it keeps on digestion. A penis, it keeps on intercourse. So every organ has its own function up to our death. Like that, mind has its own function. It thinks bad things or negative thing, positive thing, whatever it is. No worry about it. Negative thoughts, positive, it is nothing in it. It will come and go. What will happen? If you think positive, you will be somewhat happy. If you think negative, you will a kind of fear will be happen. After stopping that, automatically it will go, the fear will go. No problem. So take some time, go to peaceful place, sit down for 15 minutes. Automatically the air, natural sounds, natural air, natural surroundings, natural humidity, the sounds around you, all will make your body calm down, your brain will calm down. At first, your mind may think a lot of things, your body will be some kind of shivering and other things. After that, it will be released from that kind of shivering, kind of movement, and the brain also will be released from thinking negative, positive, and guilt and other things. Automatically, it will be calmed down. The brain will calm down, body will calm down. After some time, just sit for 15 or 20 or half an hour. After, when you come out, you will feel a lot of difference. That is, you have neutralized your nervous system unconsciously. That is, without knowing it, you are neutralizing. Okay, that is de-stressing. Okay, and another thing, exercising. If you earmark some time for doing some physical vigorous exercises, that will also neutralize your stress hormone, de-stress your body. Do some vigorous exercises for 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes, that is half an hour. Your muscles, wherever the stress hormone is stored, your muscle or your organs or your brain, wherever it deposited or released on the stress hormone, it will all be passed out when you do vigorous exercises. For that, you have to spend some time for that vigorous exercise that will help you to neutralize your hormone, that is, nervous system, and the de-stressing. The stress will all be released. After doing 15 minutes or 20 minutes, 50, 30 minutes, you will feel a lot of difference. When you genuinely, when you do the exercise, your brain will release the opposite hormone, that is dopamine and other hormones, which will be demolish the stress hormones, and muscles will be get a power to against to tackle the stress hormone. The stress hormones will release from your body. So do any vigorous exercise, or if you do not do any exercise, meditate. Like that, already I told you, when you spend time, sit on a peaceful place or sometime, that is also a kind of meditation. Take it like that. So, in this way, we can do de-stressing, that is, neutralize our nervous system. Okay, viewers, try to do whenever, wherever you are free, automatically you will be de-stressed. Enjoy this video, share this video, subscribe this video, like this video. Thank you, viewers. Thank you very much.